Hello. So we're back, and this time we have a nice laptop to fix. This is already open, so we can see it's a nice laptop. We have i5 Gen and NVIDIA graphics. Now I have a bunch of laptops without the screen because I have a customer which is doing a living by buying faulty stuff from eBay, then fixing what he can fix and sell, like parts if or full laptop. This one, not charging but running on the battery. Okay, let's plug a charger and check. Actually, I spoke a little bit with a guy, and he's doing like nice money. I mean, he's really doing a living, just just eBay, doing eBay. That's all. Okay, so we plug the charger, pressing the power button. Nothing happened. It's taking no current at all. So that can explain why not charging but running on the battery. So let's open this quickly. Okay, it doesn't have screws. And there's the laptop inside, which is a nice board. So check here. Wait, do you see something? Where is the NVIDIA graphics? I mean, it was supposed to be here, right? Huh? I mean, the CPU, this CPU is quite long, and the second is no NVIDIA here. That's strange. Okay, let's check the voltage on the charging port. Let's see. So on the charging port we have 19.3. You can see on the screen. I made a video with this particular fault. I made a video special for this particular fault. So check here, yeah. This is the charger, but probably you can't see. Sorry. I made a video special with this particular fault and with this particular charging port. So this is Acer, and Acer is using a pin there to sense if the charger is plugged all the way in. Yeah. Now you see, like on this case, we have 19 volts, so the the charging port is doing the job. But check this pin. Check this pin. 9 volts because the pin is not switched to ground. So this pin has to be switched to ground. Now let's unplug the charger. Let's short this pin to ground. Check the current. Yeah, 110 milliamps. And probably it's going up because it will charge the battery. So you can see instantly the laptop start working. 120 milliamps. Probably the battery is very discharged. Yeah, probably it's very discharged. Let's help the battery. Let's come with the power supply. Let's lower the current. Well, let's try and help this battery. And we are charging the battery with 1.4 amps. And the battery is disconnecting because probably it's very discharged. It is very discharged. Okay. And now I cannot charge it anymore. You can see the voltage get dropped to 8 point something volts. You can see. Okay, so one more time, plug in the charger. And let's short this pin to ground. Yeah, and the current is going up. No, it's not going up. No. So it doesn't work like that. So it has to be shorted to ground first. Then you plug the charger. Yeah, and now the current, it is going up. Okay, let's fix this charging port first, and after that we can check the laptop. Let me go under the microscope. Okay, and this is the charging port. For me, it looks good. So how we can fix something like that? Very simple, yeah, very simple. Let's get a solder iron. Let's get some rosin. Good. A little bit of solder wire. Good. Let's get a proper calibrated fuse, I mean a wire. And let's solder this wire from here to here. Perfect. Perfect. Now we can test. Oh, the charger was plugged in. Okay, so it's taking 120 milliamps. Let's try to power on to see if it's coming on. We have the charging light. Pressing the power button and the laptop is coming on. It's taking like 900 milliamps. And we have the blue light here. Let me power off and try to plug the HDMI. Yeah, it's off. So I will use the HDMI from the microscope. Good. So let's power on. Let's switch to microscope. And no, it's not displaying. Not every laptop is displaying on the HDMI. Yeah, you can press the keyboard, nothing happens. Nah, it's not displaying on HDMI. Oh, wait, we reset the BIOS. Wait, the current goes down, and now it's coming back. 1 second. Maybe it will display. Nah, it's not displaying on the HDMI. No, the Windows has to be loaded. Yeah, it's nothing what we can do, but from my point of view, this is working. And the issue was the charging port. 1 second, because it's still restarting. 1 second, it's still restarting. No bootable device, we have picture, I can't believe. We have picture. So the laptop, it is working. Now, all what is left is, to be sure, is charging the battery. Let me power off, because on this moment it's not charging the battery. It's only 120 milliamps there. I suppose the battery is very discharged, and that's the reason why it's taking only 120 milliamps. But let's see if the voltage is going up onto the battery. The charging current should be like over 1 amp. So on the battery, we have 8.6 for 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. So it is charging, but very slow. The battery has 13 volts, I believe. So that can explain why this low charging current, because the battery is very discharged. Let me leave it on charge a little bit and see you soon. Actually, you know what? We have the power supply. 1 second, 1 sec. We have the power supply. I mean, we can push this battery more with the power supply, right? We should be able to do that. And let's see the charging current. 380, yeah, it led me to push 380. Let's raise the current and see how much the battery led me to push. Why not? it disconnect 1 second. So it was 1.2 amps or 1.3 amps. Now I can't charge it anymore. You see, that's the battery protection. Now I can't charge it. I have to plug the charger. I have to plug the charger. Unlock the battery, and now it's fine. Now we can try again. Yeah, 1.10 amps. Let's wait with 1.10 amps. The battery led me to push 1.10 amps. Let's try to go higher a little bit. 1.2, 1.26. Still fine. Still charging. Let's raise the current a little bit. 1.3 amps. It's not disconnecting. 1.4. Yeah, I think the battery is fine now. 2 amps. Yeah, so now the battery is on a safe state, and it will charge fine. Let's plug the charger. So plug in the charger. Let's follow the charging current. 130 milliamps, and has to flip to switch. Yeah, 1.6 amps, you can see. Now the battery is charging fine. 1.6 amps. Okay, great. So I'll stop this video. This is just, this is tricky. And first time I didn't know about this charging port, and I search, I search a lot to understand why it's not charging. And it's because that has an extra pin there to detect when the charger is fully plugged in, and probably that pin is faulty inside of this port, or maybe my charger it's it's a universal one. But you got it right. Good. But I'm still confused why it's saying NVIDIA, because here is no NVIDIA. You can see the NVIDIA chip has to be here, and you have two memories, VRAMs here, but no, there's no NVIDIA here, right? I mean, I can see the CPU is longer, but I never heard like an Intel chip with NVIDIA built in. Yeah, strange. Okay? Yes, I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.